Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing this, well not reviewing, but technically unboxing this kitchen scale. It's from Etekcity. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but it's a food scale. I'm beginning to count my macros and I need one from my kitchen, not only for that, but for baking. It's great too. So this is what it looks like when I open it. There's some coupons in there. If somebody wants an air fryer, go ahead. If you find my code, use it. It's fine. So yeah, we have this, and then this looks like just advertisement or some stuff. And this is a manual, Smart Nutrition Scale manual. So I purchased this scale through Amazon. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like maybe $20 to $30. It's not bad. And it has Bluetooth, so that's why I needed it. I wanted it. I needed it. I am really bad with recording my food. I forget, and the Bluetooth is gonna help me just keep it in my phone. So that's why I chose it, and I think it attaches to your Apple Health app, whatever. So this is how it looks inside, and we're gonna take it off. Out of the box. So you remove these corners like that, and then I'm gonna flip it over. It's pretty cool. Does anybody love packaging? Just like packaging. I'm an art freak and I think about a lot of arts and crafts stuff to do with it, but I end up always throwing it away. But yeah, so the scale came in, obviously it was protected so it wouldn't break, which is pretty cool. Oh, it's pretty shiny, and it matches my countertop, so that's why I chose this color. I think they had it in black too, black and some other colors, I'm not sure. So yes, it came with batteries. All I had to do was just remove that. So obviously let me open it and then remove it. Okay, perfect. Put the battery back on and the cap or thing back on. Okay, I'm struggling here. So I'm experimenting. Okay, so the top button is you zero the weight of the item or container that you put it on. And then there you go. That's 0.2 ounces. So this one comes with ounces, the units, ounces, milligrams, pounds, and grams. Not milligrams, I'm sorry. Sorry, it's milliliters. Milliliters and grams. So there, I zeroed that cup. I'm putting some water in and voila. And I did it with ounces. You should probably do it with milliliters, but it's cool. Ounces is okay too. So it's 4.1 ounces of water in my cup. Not bad. So it's Etekcity food scale, kitchen food scale. I recommend it. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. It has Bluetooth. Who doesn't love Bluetooth? Later on, you could just connect it to. I believe there's an app, and you connect it to your phone. And what I love about this is that it reads. It has your calorie intake and different. It breaks down the vitamins and so forth, the nutrients of your food. And in the app, I believe they have a variety of food that you could use, and you could just use that, and they'll label the nutrients of the food. If you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, you guys, I recommend it. I'm for counting macros. I've also done a video of pocket one. I'll upload it as soon as I can. But if you're into health or fitness, or you just want to weigh your food, count your macros, I would totally recommend it. Even if you're just a baker, baking's precise. It's a science. If you need a food scale for your kitchen, I recommend it. Alright, you guys, thank you again for watching my video.